Hello everyone, welcome to Namkoo's channel. This is Christine from Namkoo Solar Power. Today I will introduce our 1200 watts Namkoo Solar Street Light integrated light. Crafted with the finest ABS, Teijin PC materials and waterproof level of IP65, it's built tough to withstand any weather challenge and can last up to 4 to 5 rainy days. With 150 high brightness, 3030 lamp bits, its lumen output is 3600 lumens, lighting up an impressive 300 square meters. They spend 4 to 5 hours charging in the sunlight. After full charging, they can last 15 hours in full power and over 60 hours in saving mode. These small light streams, improving the brightness by 30%, can make the lamp light up to 50,000 hours. Powered by a high-capacity 36 ampere-hour LiPo4 lithium battery, it keeps shining brightly even on cloudy days. Smart and efficient, it's equipped with intelligent light control, radar sensor, power button, remote control, ensuring the optimal performance and energy savings. And let's not forget about the perfect color temperature, a cool 6500 to 7500 kelvins for maximum visibility and safety. Whether it's illuminating your neighborhood or brightening up a remote area, our integrated solar street light is the way to go. Trust us, the professionals, to bring you the best solar lighting solution. If you are interested in this product, you can contact our professional sales and place an order for a sample first. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.